Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do the rush challenge, and yeah, so I'm kind of just taking you guys behind the scenes of that. I am currently just beating my face right now. I did ask a few YouTubers to actually do this challenge with me as well. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the behind the scenes of me getting ready for the rush challenge. I seen it going around and I actually like it. So, and you know me, I love to dress up. So hey, I'm home, I'm not doing nothing, so why not? So yeah, let's get into this video, guys. So currently I am here beating my face. So if you see me not looking in the camera, that's because your girl is getting her face beat.
Like a dead leaf falling. When the last fall, you come and pick me up. Oh, you like 1,000 times. I swear I will do what you did to me, 'cause I know how damn good it feels when someone bites with your fears. More dead leaves falling. Oh, I just feel like we can go on forever. Come on, do me a favor, stay a little while. Felt like I was stuck.
Government's like giving them everything, so I could understand the frustration with that, because that's kind of
Guys, so as you see, your girl is finished her face. So as you see, your girl's face is beat. So now I am going to get my outfit on. Yeah. Okay. So let me loose this down, and I gotta adjust my hair. Adjust. Okay. So let me take this bad boy down. Whew. Okay guys, so I spraying up my hair. And okay, do that. Take this, because I don't have no gel right now, and hairspray. Well, this is hairspray and this works, so I'll just spray it. Yeah, I love that wet crimp look to my hair. Okay. Okay, and I just crimp. So there, it's done, and the next time you see me, I should be in my outfit. So go like that.
yeah.
And then there you go, guys, the finished product. So yeah, so this was the behind the scenes of the rush challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this short clip. Now it's time to go downstairs, go finish dinner.
Okay. Look at that, and then just do that. Yeah.
Dinner ready?
Now drop it or throw it.
Okay, they're not supposed to hit the drop.
No, they're not gonna.
Sit down, Brian, sit down.
See?
Whatever, it's good. And that's a wrap. So you just seen that I just finished the behind the scenes challenge of Don't Rush. Just a little bit that was behind the scenes, that's what I was doing. So now I am downstairs about to cook. And there's hubby. You saying hi to the vlog? So he's just chilling out, watching a movie. I am cooking. Krista's over there. The other two, I think they're upstairs somewhere. So that is what your girl is doing. Yeah, so another day in the Gideon, as they say. So I'm just here cooking. About to go put in some food. I gotta go cut up my, I go put in my meat just now, and it looks beautiful outside. But unfortunately, gotta be inside, but that's okay. It looks beautiful outside, but it's a little bit deceiving because it's actually cold out. So I'm just getting dinner prepped and ready. Yeah, because time is going, and so that is what I am currently doing. All right, so dinner is on. I just finished doing everything and getting all the prep work done. Now it's time to go relax with hubby, something that I very much enjoy doing, spending some quality time with my husband, just watching a movie. So yes, and of course you see him here on his phone. Oh, your girl needs some tea. I feel like I'm English coming from. You have, I didn't know you wanted tea. You want tea?
You give me tea?
Did I know you wanted tea? I didn't know you want tea. I thought because you already ate.
Where's the meat?
A big bowl of cereal.
You see me really? Yeah.
No, I seen the empty plate in the sink. Did you want some tea? I could go make you some. Would you like some tea, sir? No? Okay. You want some of my tea? Wait for me, dear water. Oh, so my tea's water because it's ginger tea, but he loves like Milo, which is sweet like no tomorrow. So that's what he wants. Give me smooches. Maybe I love me more Eily. You're so disgusting.
Eat and watch more. Move.
What do you mean eat and watch more? I haven't eaten anything from morning.
You want Eily?
Because it is your girl's lip gloss by Couture Collections. Yes, I still got my lip gloss, guys. No. You don't want to feel more Eily? So this is what we're doing. We're spending some quality time together. The kids are upstairs actually in our room watching a movie, and we basically switch roles. Now we are down here actually hanging out and watching movies. So I'm just waiting for dinner to cook, and then we're all gonna eat and we're just gonna relax. Like, this is just spending quality time together. This is something that I love. Oh, you can hear that one tumbling down the stairs.
Whose water is this?
I think ours is.
Move.
Do you see these
Move.
Please. You're not dog. Don't tell me if you move.
Hello.
See, I done something for you.
Ayo.
See, this is what I put up with these two. These two, I put up with this every day. Day in and day out.
Mario,
There's
we can
water
get
in
you
the
one next
fridge.
month. It's too far.
See water
I'm
there.
no, I'm
No,
going
it's
at
not
the fridge. But she wants to go drink up Mario's one, and she just passed the fridge, like literally passed the fridge, and could have got herself water. So she just loved coming to antagonize Mario. It's her favorite thing to do. They're two peas in a pot. See, she go get her own water.
I won't eat.
Get more tissue in a piece, please.
Oh Lord. These two. So why not have water drinking competition?
You want it further after.
Fee, you just spit on me. Ew.
Mario, that'd be nice. You can't get corona from me because you're the source of corona, you know, man.
Ew, Fee, there's one all over your mouth. That's so gross.
You know, so did me an armpit.
What is she supposed to do in her armpit, babe? Oh gosh, what's she supposed to do? Hello.
Laughing at you, water.
Trying to make her laugh and he start choke. Oh gosh, because I don't know how you would have run the hospital with him today. Oh my gosh. So that's what we are up to for the day.
Some MP sound when you're walking out.
That is how you sound. Look at me down the stairs. Alright guys, so that is it. I guess we will. Dinner is finished and your girl is about to dish some food. So got my nice food here and curry. So I made some curry beef and rice and peas. I was gonna make some corn, but I didn't even end up doing that. So we're about to eat. And yeah, pretty much we're just hanging out and watching movies for the rest of the night. So that is our plan for the rest of this night. Yeah, the rest of the day. Early dinner settings today. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share this video. Share it with a family, friend. Just share the video and give this video a thumbs up. We'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'm feeling love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.